According to the National Electrical Code, the classification of the rooms is important for determining arc fault circuit interrupter, or AFCI, requirements. The owner's bedroom is considered a residential bedroom. The 3 guest rooms are classified as hotel or motel guest rooms. For residential bedrooms, the National Electrical Code, Section 210.12a, mandates that AFCIs are required for all 120-volt, 15 and 20 ampere branch circuits that supply outlets in dwelling units, and this includes bedrooms. Regarding hotel and motel guest rooms, the National Electrical Code, Section 210.60, does not explicitly mention AFCIs. It does stipulate that guest room branch circuits must be protected by circuit breakers or fuses rated not over 20 amps. In conclusion, the owner's bedroom necessitates AFCI protection as per National Electrical Code, Section 210.12a. The 3 guest rooms do not technically demand AFCI protection under National Electrical Code Section 210.60. However, for enhanced safety and consistency, it is advisable to install AFCIs in all 4 bedrooms. This provides supplementary protection against electrical fires, a considerable hazard in both residential and commercial environments. Let's delve deeper into AFCIs. An AFCI is a circuit breaker that breaks the circuit when it detects an electrical arc, a dangerous condition that can lead to electrical fires. AFCIs are designed to protect against fires caused by arcing faults. An arcing fault is an unintentional electrical discharge between 2 or more conductors. These faults can occur for a variety of reasons, such as damaged or frayed wiring, loose connections, or even nails or screws piercing wires. Arcing faults generate heat, which can ignite nearby combustible materials, leading to a fire. Standard circuit breakers are designed to protect against overloads and short circuits, but they do not always detect arcing faults. This is because arcing faults can occur at current levels below the tripping threshold of a standard circuit breaker. AFCIs, on the other hand, are specifically designed to detect the unique characteristics of arcing faults. They do this by monitoring the electrical waveform for patterns that are indicative of arcing. When an AFCI detects an arcing fault, it quickly trips the circuit, interrupting the flow of electricity and preventing a fire from starting. There are 2 main types of AFCIs: branch or combination type and outlet branch circuit type. Branch or combination type AFCIs provide protection against both series and parallel arcing faults. A series arc occurs when there is a break in a single wire, while a parallel arc occurs when there is a short circuit between 2 or more wires. Outlet branch circuit type AFCIs offer protection against series arcs downstream of the device and parallel arcs at the device's location. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, has expanded the requirements for AFCI protection over the years. The 1999 NEC first introduced AFCI requirements for bedroom circuits. Subsequent editions have broadened these requirements to include other areas of the home, such as family rooms, dining rooms, living rooms, parlors, libraries, dens, recreation rooms, sunrooms, closets, hallways, and similar areas. The specific requirements for AFCI protection can be found in NEC Section 210.12. It's crucial to consult the latest edition of the NEC and local amendments for the most accurate and up-to-date information. While the NEC might not explicitly mandate AFCIs for hotel or motel guest rooms under Section 210.60, there are compelling reasons to consider installing them. Firstly, safety is paramount. Guest rooms, like bedrooms in a dwelling unit, are areas where people sleep. The risk of an electrical fire in these spaces poses a significant threat to life safety. Installing AFCIs provides an added layer of protection against arcing faults, reducing the risk of fire and ensuring the safety of guests. Secondly, consistency is key. Installing AFCIs in all bedrooms, including guest rooms, creates a consistent level of safety throughout the building. This eliminates any confusion about which rooms have AFCI protection and ensures that all occupants are protected against electrical fires. Thirdly, liability is a factor. As a business owner, it's essential to consider liability. Installing AFCIs demonstrates a commitment to safety and can help reduce liability in the event of an electrical fire. Even if the NEC doesn't explicitly require AFCIs in guest rooms, installing them can be seen as a proactive measure to protect guests and prevent potential lawsuits. When selecting AFCIs, it's essential to choose products that are listed by a recognized testing laboratory, such as Underwriters Laboratories, or AL. Listed AFCIs have been tested and certified to meet specific safety standards. Ensure that the AFCIs are rated for the voltage and amperage of the circuits they will be protecting. Most residential circuits are 120 volt, 15 or 20 ampere circuits. When installing AFCIs, it's crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. This includes properly identifying the line and load connections and ensuring that the AFCI is securely mounted in the electrical panel. It's also essential to test the AFCI after installation to ensure that it is functioning correctly. AFCIs have a test button that can be used to simulate an arcing fault and verify that the AFCI trips the circuit. If the AFCI does not trip when the test button is pressed, it may be defective and should be replaced. Remember that AFCIs are not a substitute for proper wiring practices. It's still essential to ensure that all wiring is installed correctly and in accordance with the NEC. This includes using the correct wire size, making secure connections, and protecting wires from damage. AFCIs are designed to protect against arcing faults, but they cannot prevent all electrical fires. Fires can still occur due to overloads, short circuits, or other electrical hazards. It's crucial to have a comprehensive fire safety plan in place, including smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, and an evacuation plan. Regular inspections of the electrical system can help identify potential hazards and prevent fires. Consider having a qualified electrician inspect the electrical system periodically to ensure that it is in good condition and that all components are functioning correctly. In summary, while the NEC might not explicitly require AFCIs for hotel or motel guest rooms, there are compelling reasons to consider installing them. Safety, consistency, and liability are all important factors to consider. By installing AFCIs in all bedrooms, you can provide an added layer of protection against electrical fires and ensure the safety of occupants. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local amendments for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Ensure all electrical work is performed by a qualified electrician.